My name is Patricia Regier. I'm a virtual facilitator. People I help are virtual facilitators, speakers, and presenters. They used to all do this in person, and I help them through that shift to the online context, helping take away the scariness of the whole experience and helping them connect with their participants again. I believe that helping people feel confident online so that they can connect with their participants is really important. Being able to take away the scariness of the tech and that people can just focus on their expertise, focus on their content and their participants and not worry about the rest. Especially online, people can be distracted and multitask, so we have to intentionally create that learning space to be engaging, interactive, and that people really feel part of the experience. So if anything that I've said has resonated with you and you're looking for more help, I am across social media platforms and my website, regiereducation.com. And my book, The Online Shift, you can find everywhere that books are sold online and select retailers, and don't forget to ask for it at your local library.